Hi, this is attorney Michael Pariente, the Pariente Law Firm PC, John G. Watkins of Counsel. I'm a criminal defense lawyer here in Las Vegas, and I've been practicing law for 18 years. Today I'm talking to you from my conference room here at the Howard Hughes Center in Las Vegas. Today I'd like to talk to you about a question that I've been getting asked a lot, and that question is, what is the effect of sealing on one's immigration status? In other words, let's say you're here in the country and you want to become a permanent resident, or you're a permanent resident and you want to become a U.S. citizen. What's the effect of sealing a criminal conviction? Well, let's put it this way. I'm going to give you two hypotheticals. Let's say in hypothetical one, the person applying for citizenship or to become a permanent resident has already sealed the criminal conviction. Well, in that case, immigration is not going to be able to get that conviction because technically it doesn't exist. It's sealed. It's not something that they can access. If they ask you to obtain it and bring it to them, you can tell them it's sealed, you don't have access to it. Now, one thing you can't do is you can't lie if they ask you, and they will ask you if you've been arrested or convicted in the past. You can't lie and say that you have not, even if you have sealed your record. That's a separate charge. You could be charged with a federal offense of lying to immigration officials. Here's a second scenario. This one is not a good scenario. You don't want to be in this situation. Let's say you're here illegally, or you're a permanent resident, you want to become a U.S. citizen, or if you're here illegally, you want to become a permanent resident. Now, let's say you have a criminal conviction. You go to apply with immigration. Immigration officials discovered you have this criminal conviction. Now, let's say that you decide you want to seal the criminal conviction at this point, and you go, you hire an attorney, you seal the criminal conviction. Well, guess what? In that situation, it's not going to do you any good because the immigration officials already have a copy of your criminal conviction, and it makes no difference to them whether you've sealed it or not. So in that situation, they would be able to act adversely to you and perhaps deport you. Now, if you're in a situation where you have been arrested in the past, or you've been convicted of something in the past and you want to seal it, give us a call. We're more than happy to talk to you over the phone about how we can help you.